right hand, 3 fingers are playing those treble strings. My nails, my thumbnails, playing the 3 bass strings. I'll be doing a few slides, but never up past the 7th or the 9th fret. And usually always on the 3rd or the 4th strings. Coming back to the G chord usually to finish that cadence. Boy like me, man like you. Using some harmonics, touching the 12th fret. Finger and then plucking the strings with my ring finger. Again, classical folk style right hand technique. He was a baby like I was once, cried in the early morn. All the verses. Just to give you an example of the flow of the song, very folksy, folk gospel style. Was a baby like I was once, but was you a boy like me? I grew up around Indiana, you grew up around Galilee. If I ever really do grow up, I want to grow up to be like you. Did you wrestle with the dog? Did you lick his nose? Did you play beneath the spray of a water hose? Did you ever make angels in the winter snow? Did you try not to cry when you scraped your knee? Did you ever skip a rocker across the quiet street? Yeah, did you tell your stories about the saints of old? Stories about their faith. Stories like that can make a boy grow bold. Stories like that'll make a man walk straight. C major 7 to A minor 7.